Hi Gilbert, today is Tuesday, May 12th, and this is your update. The total case count in Arizona is 11,736 COVID-19 cases with 562 deaths in Arizona. In Maricopa County, we have 6,219 total cases with 259 deaths. The total case count in Gilbert is 224 cases, and that equates to 4% of the total cases in Maricopa County. One of those numbers that we're tracking pretty consistently is the total percent of positive COVID-19 tests. So the vast majority of the tests that are being conducted are coming back negative for COVID-19, but what we're tracking is that percentage. So 6.5% of those being tested are coming up positive for COVID. We did get clarification from the state as it relates to the Gilbert numbers. So you might remember last week we had some confusion about why Gilbert numbers are changing. Clarification from the state has been helpful, and that specifically denotes that there are 2 hospitals in Gilbert, and so if someone comes in and their actual residential address is not known, they will be using the hospital address, and as soon as they gain more information, that address will be shifted to the actual residence of the individual. So someone that might have been treated in one of our Gilbert hospitals actually may reside in a different community, and so that is why we're seeing some fluctuation in the numbers specific to Gilbert. Governor Ducey has issued a new executive order for Arizonans. It's called Stay Healthy, Return Smarter, Return Stronger. And the new executive order does replace the previous order that exists expires on May 15th and gives us updated guidance on businesses, including gyms, pools, public pools, spas, and more. So we also want to emphasize that it still is referencing physical distancing and wearing masks, but there is going to be updated guidance on a lot of reopenings in our community and in our surrounding communities. I also wanted to mention, because we've had people reach out about our aquatics programs, we know how important they are to our residents, and we are continuing to work on the plan to reopen our pools in Gilbert. As a reminder, in a typical year, they actually don't open until the end of May, and we continue to work towards that phased reopening of the few remaining Gilbert facilities that are not currently open. So thank you, everybody, and I hope you have a great day.